They say AI is coming for our jobs. Headlines scream about robots replacing us, leaving humanity to wander in an unemployed wasteland. Now, while I love a good robot apocalypse movie as much as the next science nerd, the reality is far more nuanced. See, the universe is under no obligation to make sense to us, and neither is the future of work. But one thing is certain, change is the only constant. Just like the dinosaurs had to adapt to survive, we too face our own extinction-level event, from obsolescence. But fear not. Today we're going to explore those careers that will not only survive the AI revolution but in it. So buckle up, fellow humans, as we explore the fascinating world of AI-proof careers. Let's start with a field where human connection is paramount: healthcare. Now, AI is already making waves in medicine, from analyzing medical images to assisting in drug discovery. But can it replace the human element? I'd say not. Think about it. A doctor doesn't just read your chart and prescribe medication. They listen to your concerns, empathize with your fears, and offer reassurance alongside treatment. They factor in the nuances of your individual biology, lifestyle, and even your emotional state. Can a machine, even the most sophisticated one, replicate that? Can it understand the subtle cues in your voice or the worry in your eyes? Can it provide the comfort of a hand on your shoulder during a difficult diagnosis? I don't think so. And what about nurses, the unsung heroes of healthcare? Their compassion, patience, and ability to connect with patients on a human level are irreplaceable. They calm anxieties, offer a listening ear, and provide a human touch that no machine can replicate. Sure, AI can monitor vital signs, administer medication, and even assist in surgery. But it's the human connection, the empathy, and the ability to provide holistic care that will always be in demand in healthcare. Now, some might argue that AI is already creating art, music, and even writing screenplays, and they'd be right. But does that mean human creativity is doomed? Absolutely not. Look, AI can generate content based on patterns and algorithms, but it lacks the very essence of true creativity, the human experience. It doesn't feel the sting of heartbreak, the joy of a child's laughter, or the awe-inspiring beauty of a sunset. It's these experiences, these emotions, that fuel human creativity. It's what allows artists to paint soul-stirring masterpieces, musicians to compose melodies that move us to tears, and writers to craft stories that resonate deep within our souls. AI can mimic, it can iterate, but it can't replicate the raw, unfiltered emotions that pour out of human creativity. It can't capture the nuances of human interaction, the complexities of relationships, or the depth of our inner worlds. So, to all the writers, designers, filmmakers, musicians, and artists out there, your jobs are safe. Your ability to connect with audiences on an emotional level, to tell stories that resonate with the human experience, that's something AI can't touch. Chapter 3. Skilled Trades, Building the Future, Literally. Now let's talk about those who build, repair, and keep our world running. The skilled tradespeople. You know, the plumbers, electricians, mechanics, carpenters, the ones who get their hands dirty and solve real-world problems. Now you might think AI-powered robots are poised to take over these jobs. After all, they can be programmed with technical skills and can work tirelessly without breaks. But here's the thing. Skilled trades require more than just technical know-how. They require critical thinking, adaptability, and good old-fashioned human ingenuity. Imagine this. Your toilet is overflowing. Not a pretty picture, I know. You call a plumber, but instead of a friendly face, you get a robot. Now this robot might be able to diagnose the problem and even access its database of plumbing solutions. But what happens when it encounters an unexpected issue? What happens when the pipes are old and corroded or the layout is unconventional? Can it improvise? Can it think on its feet and come up with a creative solution? That's where human experience and adaptability come in. Skilled tradespeople are problem solvers, able to assess a situation, troubleshoot on the fly, and find solutions that work. They have the experience to know when to follow the rule book and when to throw it out the window. And let's not forget the importance of human interaction in these roles. A good plumber doesn't just fix your pipes, they explain the problem, offer advice, and maybe even share a joke or two. It's that human touch that makes all the difference. Chapter 4. Teachers and Educators, Igniting Young Minds. Now let's talk about the people who shape young minds. Teachers and educators. In the age of online learning and educational apps, you might think AI is poised to replace teachers altogether. But let me tell you, nothing could be further from the truth. Teaching is so much more than just delivering information. It's about inspiring a love of learning, fostering critical thinking, and nurturing the next generation of thinkers, dreamers, and doers. It's about recognizing each student's unique strengths and challenges, and tailoring teaching methods to meet their individual needs. Can an algorithm do that? Can it understand the spark in a student's eye when they finally grasp a difficult concept? Can it provide the encouragement a child needs to overcome a learning obstacle? Can it instill a sense of wonder and curiosity about the world? I think not. Teachers provide more than just academic instruction. They act as mentors, confidants, and role models, shaping not just minds but also character. They create a safe and supportive learning environment where students feel comfortable taking risks, asking questions, and exploring new ideas. And let's not forget the importance of social-emotional learning, something AI is ill-equipped to handle. Teachers help students develop empathy, navigate complex social situations, and build meaningful relationships. Skills essential for success in life, not just in the classroom. Chapter 5. Mental Health. The human connection is therapy. Finally, let's talk about a field where human connection is not just important but essential: mental health and counseling. In an increasingly complex and stressful world, the need for mental health professionals is greater than ever. Now, while AI can analyze data, track symptoms, and even provide basic therapeutic interventions, it can never replace the human element of therapy. Think about it. Therapy is about vulnerability, trust, and the deep understanding that comes from shared human experience. People seek therapy to process trauma, navigate difficult emotions, and find healing and growth. They need a therapist who can truly listen, empathize with their pain, and offer support and guidance without judgment. Can an algorithm offer a shoulder to cry on? Can it understand the nuances of human emotion and respond with empathy and compassion? Can it provide the safe and non-judgmental space that is essential for healing? I highly doubt it. Mental health professionals offer more than just treatment. They offer a lifeline, a beacon of hope in the darkness. They help people navigate the complexities of the human experience, overcome adversity, and build resilience. And that, my friends, is something AI can never replicate. Outro: the future is human, so there you have it. As you can see, the future of work isn't about humans versus AI, it's about humans AI, working together to create a better future. The key to staying relevant in this rapidly evolving job market is to focus on what makes us uniquely human: creativity, empathy, critical thinking, problem solving, and the ability to connect with others on a deep and meaningful level. So, embrace lifelong learning, cultivate your human skills, and never stop exploring the vast universe of possibilities that lie ahead. After all, the future belongs to those who dare to dream big, think differently, and embrace the unknown. What career do you think is AI-proof? Comment below.